So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to get 1.5 line spacing here on VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is obviously open up the VistaCreate website or the application, then add some text into your design. So just add some text, into your design, go to the top left or go to the left-hand side. It works the exact same way. So I have add text right here. Now, if you wanted to, I'll just do 1.5 spacing, just like that. So if you wanted to make the spacing 1.5 between the top letters and the bottom letters, it's super straightforward. Press on the text right here, open up this top bar, go to where it says spacing right here. This option right here, press on that. Then where it says, as of right now, it's single spaced. But if you wanted to make a 1.5 line spacing, press this right here, 1.5 lines, and there you go. It now changes the text to 1.5 apart in regards to line spacing. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to get 1.5 line spacing here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.